Okay, so today I am beginning my move and I am just sharing with you this solution that I've come up with. So ladies, if you are moving by yourself, Kent Removals and Storage are really helpful. They deliver these mobile storage units straight to your place. You fill it up and then they take it away and either deliver it directly to your new house, or they will store it for you for as long as you like and then deliver it to your new place where you can unload it. And there you go. It saves you getting a truck, which costs twice as much. Saves you driving a truck and doing all that hard work yourself. So for $350 I have 2 of these, which is about 16 square meters of storage, and they're doing all the delivering and driving for me. They also, for an extra cost, will fill this for you. So they will pack and fill it and they will unpack it at the other end if you need that.